Happy Jerusalem Day, everybody, right here under the beautiful olive tree next to the first man, the President of Israel.
Thank you.
Where are we? What are we doing?
We are in the Garden of the President's residence in Jerusalem, what we call the House of the People. And here you have an incredible phenomena, a hybrid of fig and olive together that has grown in this beautiful garden. And it's, I think, if you read the Bible, the figs and the olives, it's just a symbol of peace together. For me, this day symbolizes so much. I was about 6 and something years old when the news broke out, and the first governor of unified Jerusalem was my late father.
Wow.
Chaim Herzog, who later was president here. And my wife's father, Shaul, he fought in the old city to unify Jerusalem.
God, I got goosebumps. Yerushalayim means city of peace, and
Exactly.
a city that is whole.
It is a city of peace. You have so many religions and denominations and beliefs. The city is bustling and beautiful, has over 1 million inhabitants in the most gorgeous setting.
It's a city of coexistence. Yeah. So happy Jerusalem Day, everyone. Thank you so much for having us, Mr.
Happy
President.
Jerusalem Day.
Happy Jerusalem Day. Thank you so much.